The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a robust set of features for its price point. Here's a detailed review. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G showcases a modern design with a sleek profile, measuring just 7.9 mm in thickness, offering a comfortable and ergonomic grip. The device features a new linear grouped camera module, enhancing its visual appeal. Available in blush pink, mint green, and thunder black, the Galaxy M16 5G caters to diverse style preferences. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and smooth visuals. The display achieves a peak brightness of 800 nits, ensuring clear visibility even under direct sunlight. An adaptive high-brightness mode further enhances outdoor readability, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, built on a 6nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with 2 high-performance ARM Cortex-A76 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 6 power-efficient ARM Cortex-A55 cores at 2.0 GHz. This configuration ensures a balance between performance and energy efficiency, making it adept at handling daily tasks and moderate multitasking. In Geekbench 5.5.1 benchmarks, the Galaxy M16 5G achieved a single-core score of 552 and a multi-core score of 1611, reflecting competent performance within its segment. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G features a versatile triple-camera setup on its rear, comprising a 50MP main sensor, f/1.8 aperture, a 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens, f/2.2 aperture, and a 2MP macro camera. This configuration allows users to capture detailed and vibrant photos in various lighting conditions. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G is equipped with a 13MP front-facing camera designed to deliver clear and detailed selfies. Users have reported that the selfie quality is solid, capturing vibrant and sharp images suitable for social media sharing and video calls. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G offers a range of RAM and storage configurations to cater to diverse user needs. Available options include 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB of RAM, paired with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. This flexibility allows users to select a model that aligns with their multitasking requirements and data storage preferences. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, designed to provide extended usage on a single charge. Users have reported impressive battery performance, with the device lasting through a full day of typical use, including activities like gaming and calls. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G supports 25W fast charging, which allows for a decent charging speed compared to other devices in its segment. The device runs on Android 15 with One UI 7, providing a user-friendly interface and access to the latest features. Samsung has committed to 6 generations of OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates for the Galaxy M16 5G, ensuring long-term software support and enhanced security. Pros: large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery for long-lasting performance, 25W fast charging support, decent 50MP main camera, Dimensity 6300 chipset for smooth performance. Cons: no charger included in the box. Plastic build may not feel premium. No ultra-wide camera. No official IP rating for water resistance. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy M16 5G stands out as a compelling option in the budget smartphone segment, offering a high-quality display, reliable performance, versatile camera system, and long-term software support. Its combination of features and affordability makes it a strong contender